Hello everyone. So tonight I wanted to do a quick tutorial on OBS, or Open Broadcast System. It's the software I use to record all of my video and audio for my YouTube channel. I know a lot of people use this. It's pretty highly regarded. I like it. It's really easy to use. If you just go to obsproject.com, you can find your operating system and you just click it. It'll download an executable file. You can click show in folder or open when done, and then that'll open. It'll bring up the installer. You just click next a bunch of times, and then you're back here. So what we got going on here is this is your little recording setup. You've got scenes, sources, mixer, scene transitions, and then controls. Controls: start and stop recording, start and stop streaming, studio mode, settings, and exit. If we go into the settings real quick, because I did want to show you this, you have your general settings, which you can see there's different themes. Just kind of like that one. Let's see here, output options, alignment, like snapping for when you position videos. I'll show you that in a little bit. Hide cursor, all these little fun things. You click apply to apply it and keep going. You can click OK, it'll close it out, and then cancel doesn't keep the changes. So I don't do streaming, but you can stream with this, with different servers there, service, Twitch, YouTube, all kinds of different stuff. Output, this is for the streaming. Won't really get into that. For recording, all your different things here. For some reason, well, let me edit it. It's interesting. Go back in real quick. Oh, it's because I'm recording. But if I wasn't, you could click these different things. You could where your videos go once it's recorded, type of video you're recording, the format, like if it's an MP4 or a .FLV, encoders, audio tracks, output scale, like your resolution, then your audio tracks if you're an audio person, buffers, your actual audio menu here for your sample channels, the different input devices. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Video, this is the canvas resolution, this is the output resolution, the filter, if you want to be bicubic, or it's been a minute since I've had to look at those things, I don't remember what they're called. Your frames per second, hotkeys is really handy. Well, I use start and stop recording a lot. So if I hit the home button, it'll start. If I hit the end button, it'll stop it. And that's on my keyboard. But you can just click that and then you hit the keyboard letter. Pretty much. And then it'll do that. You have to click apply or OK. And then the advanced stuff, if you want to get into it, this is where it's at. Close out of that. Okay. So next we got our mixer. This is for all your audio needs. You can do the output volume. Just on the slider, mute, unmute, settings, which is the same for both here. You can rename it, hide, unhide, filters, properties, and advanced audio properties. This brings up a little mix board. That way you can work with things however you want there. Go to properties, and this is where you select the actual input device. And over here is sources, which are the input devices. Blue is my Blue Snowball microphone. Display capture is your monitor. If you go to the properties, if you have multiple monitors, you can select which one you want. Capture cursor, don't capture the cursor. If you right click, you can hover over add, you can start adding different kinds of captures or inputs. So for example, we could add an image. You can rename it if you want. You click browse, go up here to my YouTube file, thumbnails, like that one. Do that, bring the image up, click OK, and then it'll bring the image into the video. So we got that up there, and you can see I just clicked it. You got a little border that pops up, which I know it doesn't on the actual one I'm working on. It does here. Now then, we can also add other types of things, like if we go to browser, create new browser, and then we just type in the name of the website. Let's do YouTube. Click OK, and then it'll load up the page as a static image. And you can just stack these however you want, as many as you want. It's really nice because it saves on some editing. Like, I still have to edit everything I export out of here, but it's very minimal, and you can get good with OBS to the point that you can really make editing super simple. Let's see here, video capture device. This would be webcams. Hi. Put that over there. Go ahead, mute the mic on that. Add. Do one more thing just to show you kind of the diversity here. We can do game capture, which is why if you've noticed on my taskbar I have Borderlands open. If it was full screen, you could just do that. But we're going to capture a specific window. Down, select Borderlands. Click OK. And there we go. So you see these things are stacked the way they are in the sources menu here. So on top is on top, and as it goes down it gets pushed further and further back. Oh, you probably can't see that, but hold on. So for all you gamers out there, you can actually record your face cam and your audio and the gameplay all in one sitting and not have to worry about lining it up. But now if we go back down here, that you can see, I can move things up and down. If I put the game capture above the video capture, my webcam disappears. Bring it back. And this is just kind of the basics of OBS right here. It's just real flexible, real intuitive. I think it's pretty easy to use. It's free. It's great. So I hope this helped you a little bit if you decide to use the program. But thank y'all for watching. I will see you all in the next one.